Taking care of yourself is essential to perform at your best every day. Small daily habits can have a big impact on your energy, focus, and overall productivity. Here are some simple self-care habits to help you boost your daily performance. First, prioritize quality sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep allows your body and mind to recover. Good sleep improves memory, decision-making, and creativity. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Next, focus on healthy nutrition. Eating balanced meals with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and proteins gives your body the fuel it needs. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods that can cause energy crashes. Staying hydrated is also important. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep your brain sharp and your body energized. Physical activity is another key habit. Even light exercise like walking or stretching for 15 to 30 minutes increases blood flow and releases feel-good hormones. Exercise helps reduce stress and improve concentration, which means better productivity. Taking short breaks during work is also beneficial. Working for long periods without breaks can lead to burnout and decreased focus. Use the Pomodoro technique by working for 25 minutes and then resting for 5 minutes. This keeps your mind fresh and helps maintain consistent performance. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can greatly improve your mental clarity. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes each day focusing on your breath or being present helps reduce anxiety and improves emotional control. This makes it easier to handle challenges calmly and stay focused on your tasks. Finally, don't forget to set boundaries. Saying no to extra commitments or distractions when you need to focus protects your energy. Prioritize your tasks and avoid multitasking, which can reduce efficiency. In summary, these simple self-care habits, good sleep, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, taking breaks, practicing mindfulness, and setting boundaries, can dramatically boost your daily performance. Start incorporating them today and watch your productivity and well-being improve.